F355 Ferrari.
All right, guys, so we're going to be doing a drive POV. I got two cameras set up. We're going to do a drive video on the Ferrari F355. One of the most analog, awesome Ferraris you guys could ever have the experience to own and drive, just because everything just is placed in the right location in this car. And that's one thing that I love about it. So we're just going to go and have some fun. And you don't have to drive this car, you know, all out, because it's not the fastest Ferrari in the bunch, but it's probably the best as far as the cutoff point between old and new before the 360 came out. And the mechanical feel you get from this manual shifter is unlike the later model cars that were cable driven. This is driven by a long rod that goes over to the rear transaxle. Steering is precise, good feedback, we got great sound. Well, you know, let's open up the valves. Got a Capristo full exhaust with 2B manifolds. And this is what it's all about. You want a blind spot right here, so you always got to slow down over here. Double wishbone suspension makes this thing drive and ride like a dream. You know, mid-engine cars tend to ride a lot better anyway. But it's just fun. You just have a leisure drive on your favorite back road. You get to enjoy the sounds. Forget about the radio. I usually do the windows down. It's a little windy today. I don't want to blow out the audio. But this is what this car is all about, is that you actually have to drive it. I got a 512M steering wheel, super rare. We found this steering wheel in Japan and we paid a hefty price for it, but it just suits this car so well aesthetically to get that goofy airbag off, and it just feels better when you're driving it. I mean, I usually do this road and like a lot of modern cars. The last road I did on this was the Porsche 993, the Carrera S. I was kind of driving it like the same speed. You're not going to want to kill the car. It's just not made for that. But man, when this thing hits $5 grand, the sound is simply incredible. Now the gearbox is getting warmed up. You can kind of bang second a little bit harder. Ah, this thing is freaking awesome. The ultimate stress reliever. Got to share a road with a lawnmower. I don't think I've ever done a POV in this car with the camera on me. So we're gonna see how it comes out with the windscreen and the way I'm sitting. It actually might come out pretty good, we'll see. We're gonna loop this back around. that positive engagement that you get. Similar to like a Lamborghini too, older Lamborghinis. This car runs like a champ. Second gear is like a real sweet spot in this car on a lot of these roads because you got the power, you got the sound, and you just get enough torque to kind of pull you through these roads and have some fun. All right, we're gonna let that truck wait. All right, guys, thanks for coming along for the short drive in the Ferrari F355. Stay tuned, there'll be more drive videos. Hope you guys enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Weather's gonna be beautiful in most parts of the country. Get out, enjoy your cars. See you guys soon.